Hey Beach Channel, I'm Jason Kesser, and I'm on a hunt for Miami's best desserts. We're gonna be taking a delectable journey into the dessert wars. What is dessert wars, you might ask? Well, it's an all-out epic battle between dessert vendors, and the only artillery is anything sweet. Now, I'm no competition judge, but I do know a good dessert when I see one. And that's why today, I'm gonna be contributing my allegiance and patriotism to the dessert nation, and we're gonna find the best dessert around. Welcome to Dessert Wars. The largest dessert festival in America has arrived in Miami, and I can't think of a better place to start my grand dessert quest than here. Everyone here is sweets obsessed, and the best part is that this event supports local businesses everywhere. Not to mention, the winners of today get a really cool trophy.
There's so many desserts to try, and there's only one Jason, but I think I'm up for the challenge. So we're gonna dive into the sugary battle together, all right?
Dessert Wars is the heavyweight champion of dessert competitions in America. It's where dessert experts bring their A game to whip up the most jaw-dropping sweets you can imagine. And here's the twist. The real VIP at Dessert Wars is you, the taster. The top 3 winners of the People's Choice in each city will compete at the National Championship in Atlanta. Final winners receive $10,000 and immense recognition. I just have to meet the person who put this event together, and that person is Brad, the CEO of Dessert Wars. So you're the man of the hour, right?
That's me.
This is all your creation?
Yes, it is.
Dessert Wars, it originated in Miami, but now it's all over the country, right?
We originated in Miami. We now travel to 8 different cities with a national championship at a 9th nationwide tour.
Do you have a favorite that you think that I should try?
Flour and Floor. She's our reigning dessert champion from 2021.
But I gotta try the reigning champion.
You have to go with the reigning champion first, a sure thing.
All right, I can't wait to try it
And
out.
her setup, oh my God, it's like nicer than anybody's living room.
Let's do
you
it.
have to
Check
see
it out.
it. It is amazing.
Brad, nice to meet you, man.
Likewise.
Wish me luck, brother.
Take care.
I definitely can't leave Dessert Wars without trying Brad's recommendation.
I heard you're the reigning People's Choice champion.
I am.
Your food looks amazing. Can you tell me about your desserts and kind of what sets them apart?
I try to hit all the notes. I try to hit all the senses. For whoever comes and tries my desserts, I want them to be able to really pick and choose what they like. So I have a whole array of all different flavors.
Is there a Latin influence for sure?
Kind of, yeah. So I am Cuban, so I do make a lot of tres leche. The guava tres leche,
Guava tres leche.
absolutely.
Oh my goodness.
We create all the flowers. I like to infuse it into my baked goods. And I also made an edible perfume,
Oh wow, an edible perfume.
lavender perfume,
Sure.
that I can spray it on
Spray it
you.
on it. That's so cool. Hey, that's kind of subtle. I'm gonna try some of this. Thank you so much. Rock and roll. Come show me what you got.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, guys, this is the guava tres leche. As you can see, there's guava on the bottom and this beautiful flower on top. Here we go. This one's for Miami. I think she has a real good shot of taking Miami to the Nationals here at Dessert Wars with the guava tres leches. Oh, this is the best.
Camila was our daughter. Unfortunately, she's not longer with us. Honoring her name, that's how I decided to name my company Camila's Patisserie. Camila's Patisserie specializes on the creation of burnt Basque cheesecakes. They are originated in the Basque country in Spain. They call it burnt. It's not because they're burnt, it's because they are cooked at very high temperature, so it creates a caramelized top and bottom, and the middle is pure cream. Today, in celebration of Dessert Wars, we bought our best sellers that are our Pistachio Dream, our Nutella Lava Drip, and our Classic Almond.
I'm gonna try your desserts now.
Absolutely, let's go!
I had to choose the almond. It was hard to choose. Oh my God, you can taste all of the almond. It's so amazing. I can't think of a better way to honor somebody that is that important than with art that tastes that good. Amazing.
Well, guys, Dessert Wars was amazing. The creativity of the food and the flavors and everything was just incredible. There were so many competitors in there. I can't even keep track of how many there were. It was outright warfare. It would be hard to imagine seeing anything that could blow the top off of what we've seen so far today, but I still think that we can discover more. I'm Jason Kesser. I'm your perpetual dessert explorer. This next spot's gonna be good. I bet if I leave right now, I can beat my crew by 20 minutes. I'll see you there. Dessert Wars had some fantastic contenders for my great dessert quest, but I am still searching for more awesome desserts, and this time I'm focusing on donuts.